Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Before we will proceed to our today's topic, there is one good news for all that we have launched our Salesforce admin training course. This course is for both beginners as well as for the advanced level expert. You can also watch this even if you don't have any knowledge about the Salesforce. We have covered up the 9 plus module with 21 plus hour of HD videos in which we have covered both Lightning as well as the classic user interface. We start up with the introduction to the Salesforce and the CRM essentials. We have also let you know about the Salesforce release cycle with the Salesforce edition and the pricing packages too. We also let you know how you can navigate yourself to Salesforce Lightning to the classic and create a free developer account in Salesforce too. We have covered up all the essential features of the Salesforce Lightning interface. Even we have let you know how you can create a user, manage the user, even you can activate, deactivate and create or reset the password of the user. If we talk about the security, we also let you know about the object level security, field level security, record level security, and also let you know how you can share the things with other Salesforce admins. And if we move ahead, we also let you know about how you can create an app with objects and the tab and with its essential features. We have covered up each and every field that are available in Salesforce with some of its functions and the formula in both Lightning as well as the classic user interface. If we move to the advanced topic of a Salesforce, we have let you know about how you can create a custom buttons to the links to the action pages and the page layouts and the list view. We also let you know about the schema builder to the process builder and the validation rules, so you can also automate the process executions and do the automation things. We also let you know how you can use the reports and dashboard to visualize your data inside in Salesforce easily. If we are dealing up with the bulk of a data, you are dealing up with the millions of a data, we have let you know about the data import wizard tools and the data loader, so you can use it to insert, to delete, to update and to create all the data in a one go. So this course is for the Salesforce admin. Even if you don't have any knowledge, you can go with that course. This is a totally 100% self-paced video module. You can go and watch anywhere when you get a time according to your preference. Even we are letting you go, give the PDF material so you can easily grasp the things at the end. We also give you the certification once you complete that course, and this course is available at the 50% of discount right now with the lifetime access. And one of the most best feature of this course is that we are giving you a one-to-one doubt clear session with interview preparations and the internship opportunity. So now let's move back to our today's topic. So today we are going to learn about the ASCII function, and we will learn this concept for both Salesforce Lightning as well as the classic interface. So let's firstly understand what does we mean by the ASCII function. So you all know that in the computer world, ASCII is the American Standard Code for the information interchange, that it is commonly used character encoding system that gives each character in English alphabet as well as a numerical under different symbol a unique numeric value. So in Salesforce, the ASCII function is one of the text function that is used when we need to get the numeric representation of the first character code point for the given string. In addition to this ASCII function represents the lowercase letters like A to Z from 97 to 122, and similarly for the uppercase it has a 65 to 90, and moreover for the digits and the other symbols it has some unique values. So if you want to, let's see its syntax. The syntax is given on your screen, that is the ASCII, and you have to pass a value in it. The value parameter specify the value or the field that you want to return the numeric representation of a code point of the first single character of the string. So let's see how you can use this ASCII function in both Salesforce Lightning as well as the classic user interface. So here I open my Salesforce account and I am in the Lightning interface. I click on the gear icon and click on the setup option. Once I click on that, I am on a main setup homepage of a Salesforce Lightning, and I click on the object manager or tab given on the top of the navigation bar. Once I click on that, from here you need to choose up the object on which you want to use it down. I am going to show you the example for the coupon, as I want to determine the discount based upon the first character of the coupon code. So here I type the coupon in the quick find box given on the top right side, and I click on that. And once I click on that, here I click on the fields and relationship option, and after that I click on the new button to create up the new field. Now I choose the formula as a field type because I am going to use the function, and I click on the next button. Now you need to enter the field label. So here I enter the field label as a discount price. So here I type it down, and once I click on the field name, it get automatically populated based upon the field label that you have entered. Now you have to choose the formula return type. I am going to select the currency as a 1 and set it decimal places to 2. That is by default selected. After that I click on the next button to proceed to the next step. Now here you have to create up the ASCII function formula for determining the discount based upon the first character of the coupon code. So let's just add the formula first, and then I will explain you. So here I enter down the formula. I click on the check syntax. If you want to know how I create that formula, I have complete article on that particular thing. You can get the link of that article from the description box and go through the complete article for the complete understanding. So I will explain you this thing. So here I use the ASCII function that converts the first character of the coupon code field into the unique ASCII value of the character. And if here I use the if function also that check whether the first character of the coupon code falls within the range of the 65 to 74, because I want to check it is reside under the A to J in the capital. And if it is, I multiply the price with the value of 0.3, which means I am giving the 30% discount on the applied price. And if not, the price without any discount value get printed. So here I am giving the discount to the person whose coupon value is reside under the A to Z only. So this is the logic behind that code. So here if you want to add any description or help text, you can do that. Otherwise click on the next button, and from here you need to choose the profile to which you want to grant the edit access of this particular field via field level security, and this field will be hidden from all the profile if you don't select it down. Now I click on the next button, and here you need to choose the page layout that should include that field, and click on a save button. And once I click on a save, it successfully saved the function that is used to calculate the discount based upon the coupon code and the price. You can check it down after creating it. Now let's see how we can do it in a Salesforce Classic. So I click on my profile, and here I click on a switch to a Salesforce Classic to redirect myself to the Classic interface. So here once I reach to the Classic one, I click on a setup option given on the top right side, and from here I need to scroll down myself to the bill section. I expand the customize drop down, and here we have to choose up the object on which I am going to show you this function. So here let's see, I am going to show you for the orders. I expand that one because I am going to generate a order unique code based upon the order first character and the ID, and I click on the field as option as I am going to create up the new field. So I scroll down and move to the order custom field in relationship section and click on the new button. Once I click on the new button, it asks me to choose the field type. I choose the formula as a 1 and click on the next button, and once I click on the next, it asks me to enter the field label. So here I enter the field label as a order unique code, and once I click on the field name, it get automatically populated. Next the thing, we have to choose the output data type or the formula return type. I choose the text as a 1 and click on the next button, and next I have to create up the formula using the ASCII function. And for this, here I am going to firstly need the text function. So here I am clicking on the all function category, move to the text as a category and choose the text function first, and then I click on insert, and then I replace this value with the help of the ASCII function as I am going to use the ASCII in it. So here I select the text as a category and choose the ASCII as a 1 and click on the insert selected function. Now I am going to replace this text value with the parameter that is the name. So here I click on the insert field and search for the name from here. So let's see where it is. Order name is the field label for that, and here it is. I click on that. Here API name is name. I click on insert, and then I want to concatenate something into it. So I click on the insert operator, and here I use the concatenate operator that is and I concatenate the hyphen to it in the quotation mark. Then I again use the concatenate operator. So here I again use that, and here I add the ID to it. So the next thing I am going to check whether it is correct or not. I click on the check syntax. So here it is showing that there is a no syntax error. So with this I have successfully created up the formula using the ASCII function. Now I click to the next button to proceed to the next step. And in the next step we have to choose up the profile to which I want to grant the edit access of that particular field. So here some of them are already selected, some of them are not. If you want to do that, you can do according to your need and click on the next button. And here you need to choose the page layout on which you want to include that. Here one is already selected, so I click on the save button to completely save it. So with this we have successfully created up the formula using the ASCII function in Salesforce Lightning. Now I will explain you how it is looking. So I click on the orders as object given on the top. I am going to edit the already existing one. So here order name is not added. So let's add me that first things, that is a just let me add decline, and I click on a save. And once I click on a save, you can see that it calculated the order unique code. The first is a 84. The 84 is getting from the tick from T, and this is the ID, okay, that it fetch it out. So with this we have successfully learned to use the ASCII function in both Salesforce Lightning as well as a classic user interface. So if you like this video, click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching and have a great day.